Hello everyone, welcome to this series on the history of English literature. And in this video, we are going to discuss the literary critics in the modern age. Introduction. The modern age witnessed a significant transformation in literary criticism, with English literature gaining recognition as a subject worthy of rigorous academic study. This growing status was marked by the establishment of English literature professorships at Oxford University in 1904 and Cambridge University in 1911, fostering an intellectual environment that encouraged critical analysis and scholarly research. As a result, numerous critical works emerged, shaping the landscape of literary discourse. This video explores the contributions of major literary critics of the modern age, focusing on figures such as A.C. Bradley, Sir Walter Raleigh, W.P. Kerr, George Saintsbury, and Sir Edmund Gosse. The Oxford School of Literary Criticism. The University of Oxford played a central role in advancing literary criticism during this period, producing three of the most influential critics: A.C. Bradley, Sir Walter Raleigh, and W.P. Kerr. A.C. Bradley, 1851 to 1935. A.C. Bradley remains one of the most esteemed Shakespearean scholars, best known for his work Shakespearean Tragedy 1904, a seminal text that delves into the psychological depth and structural coherence of Shakespeare's tragedies. His Oxford Lectures on Poetry 1909 further showcased his analytical prowess, offering insights into poetic form and literary interpretation. Bradley's meticulous approach to character analysis and dramatic structure laid the foundation for modern Shakespearean criticism. Sir Walter Raleigh, 1861 to 1922. Sir Walter Raleigh contributed significantly to literary criticism with his studies on major English poets and playwrights. His works include Milton 1900, Wordsworth 1903, and Shakespeare 1907, each offering a detailed examination of the respective authors' contributions to English literature. His 6 essays on Johnson 1910 further reflected his diverse scholarly interests. Raleigh's work combined historical context and literary evaluation, making him a distinguished figure in early 20th century criticism. W.P. Kerr, 1855 to 1923. W.P. Kerr's critical contributions extended beyond English literature, encompassing medieval and classical influences. His works, including Epic and Romance 1897, The Dark Ages 1904, and Essays on Medieval Literature 1905, provided valuable insights into early literary traditions. His later works, The Art of Poetry 1923 and Form and Style in Poetry 1928, explored the evolution of poetic forms, emphasizing the artistic and structural elements of poetry. Kerr's interdisciplinary approach helped bridge the gap between classical and modern literary traditions. George Saintsbury and the study of literary history. George Saintsbury, 1845 to 1933, writing from Edinburgh, emerged as one of the most prolific literary historians of his time. His Elizabethan Literature 1887 offered a comprehensive study of the literary achievements of the Elizabethan era. His magnum opus, A History of Criticism 1900 to 1904, remains a crucial reference for understanding the development of literary theory from antiquity to the modern period. Additionally, A History of English Prosody 1906 provided an in-depth examination of the metrical and rhythmic aspects of English poetry. His The Peace of the Augustans 1916 further illustrated his range focusing on 18th century literary culture. Sainsbury's meticulous historical approach greatly enriched the field of literary studies. Sir Edmund Gosse and the revival of metaphysical poetry. Sir Edmund Gosse, 1849 to 1928, played a pivotal role in reviving interest in the metaphysical poets, whose work had been largely neglected in the 19th century. His scholarly efforts helped reposition poets like John Donne and George Herbert within the literary canon. Additionally, Gosse's exploration of Henrik Ibsen's plays introduced English audiences to modern European drama. His autobiographical work, Father and Son, 1907, presented a deeply personal account of the moral crisis of the mid-19th century, where religious faith and scientific inquiry came into conflict due to Darwinian evolution. Gosse's ability to intertwine personal, historical, and literary narratives made his work both scholarly and accessible. Conclusion: the modern age saw an unprecedented expansion in literary criticism, with English literature emerging as a field of serious academic inquiry. The contributions of A.C. Bradley, Sir Walter Raleigh, and W.P. Carr, George Sainsbury, and Sir Edmund Gosse played a crucial role in shaping the intellectual framework of literary studies. Their works not only deepened the understanding of classical and contemporary literature, but also established methodologies that continue to influence literary scholarship today. Through their critical analyses, they paved the way for future generations of literary critics, ensuring the enduring relevance of literature in academic and cultural discourse. So this was the discussion on the literary critics in the modern age. We will meet in the next video and discuss some other topic. Until then, goodbye and thank you.